So I'm trying to install Ubuntu onto Virtualbox. I've downloaded and installed Virtualbox previously. I just downloaded Ubuntu. So let's start Virtualbox and click on New and call it Ubuntu 2.04. Why not? And the type is Linux. Nice. The version is Ubuntu. It's all good. So let's next. Let's give it a little bit more. Be shy. Yeah, yeah 8 gig. I'll do next. Create a virtual hard drive now. Sure, why not? Click create. Uh, I don't know what the difference between these guys are. I'll just take the default. Click next. Well, let's go with fixed size. So not always pick the defaults. Next. And let's make it bigger. Space. It's fixed size. I won't be able to increase it. So backspace 3 gives us the 30 gig. Now create that. Took 22, then 24, back to 22. And it's 25. I don't think it really knows how long it's going to take. 30. It's going the wrong direction. 32, 33, 35. When's it gonna stop? 38. It's starting to get so long that I'm thinking I might shift print and start up when it's done. So let's give that a shot. Shift print. We'll be back soon. Okay, so it finally finished after a couple minutes of whatever it was doing. And let's see if we can start this. So we got Ubuntu 2204. It's powered off. Let's click on the start button. What the heck? I don't know what that means. Alright, I think it probably wants the ISO that I downloaded from Ubuntu. So let's on this, add. So this is in my downloads folder. This is the ISO file that I downloaded. Click on that. On the left click on open. Yeah, I think it likes it. Click on choose, start. Hey, I think it's going. So let's say try or install. Yeah, that's the one I want. So let's get rid of this guy. Click on that X. Double click on that. Now you have the mouse inside. Press the host key. Host key is right control. So, sure. All right. looks like it's installing. Let's get rid of this message. Little bit. And we're gonna break away with a fifth print screen until this is done installing. So the install failed with a kernel panic. Here, I grabbed the error message. And so it's a kernel panic, not syncing, attempting to kill the idle something task. So this is, I believe, due to not giving it enough resources. And so I went through and I've updated them, but I'll do it again so that I can try to remember this. So general, advanced, didn't see anything useful in any of those. In the system one, I had it at 8 gig of memory, which was good. All this is good. Went to processor, and I was at one processor previously. It was down here. I moved it up to here, and I said, okay. Oops. Let's get back to that again. Um, I left that the same. Display. This was down at around 16 megabytes for video memory. I boosted that all the way to the max of 128. Monitor count, I left the same, left everything else the same. And I think that's all I changed. Let's say OK. And now we're going to try to power up one more time. Double click. Okay, that's fine. And double click on try install. Remember right control, I might have to do something with that after all is said and done. Uh, capture, why not? And, okay, this looks much better. Where's that? We'll let this install. Take a break. Shift print screen. Do it again. Shift print screen. Right. Shift. Okay, we've now gotten to the part where it says install Ubuntu. English, that's kind of what I speak. So let's go. English, English, continue. Type here. I don't need that, just continue. Normal sounds good to me. Download updates while installing. That sounds good to me. This software is subject to license. What do you think? Yes, no, maybe so. I'll skip it. Continue. It's flickering. Erase. Sure. Install. Sure. Something else. Yeah, we'll just install now. Left click. Okay. It's weak, but good enough for my Virtualbox. Log in like that. I don't know what that is. So let's continue. All right. I think it'll be a while. Okay, it took about 10 minutes to install. And now let's hit this restart. Left click. Not quite sure what this means. I'll hit enter now. It looks like it's trying. Let's click on this guy. Patiently waiting. Look at that. No, thank you. I'll skip. We'll skip. We'll skip for now. That's nice. Yeah. What they know. That's some system information. I don't think so. Next. Next. Welcome. Okay, force quit. Wait. No, let's see. What do I do? Click on these buttons here. Channel, which is what I love. Full screen. PWD. Let's see, where am I? Hey, I'm in home busted. That's nice. Okay, good to go. Shift, quit screen. But again, shift,